Welcome back. You may already be familiar with the standard string split method, which is limited to splitting a string based on a fixed delimiter like a comma or a space. The re module offers a far more powerful alternative, re.split parenthesis, which uses a regular expression pattern to define complex delimiters. 1. Using re.split parenthesis with multiple delimiters. Standard split can only use one delimiter at a time. re.split can use a pattern that matches several different characters. Here, the pattern, our bracket, semicolon, comma, bracket, means split on either a semicolon or a comma. This is incredibly helpful when dealing with inconsistent data formats where separators vary. 2. Handling inconsistent spacing. This is another classic use case. If you have data where a comma might be followed by 0, 1, or several spaces, a standard split on just the comma would leave leading spaces in your output. By using the pattern our comma space star, which we will formally cover soon and means a comma followed by 0 or more spaces, we can remove the comma and all subsequent spaces in a single split operation, resulting in clean substrings. 3. Limiting the split. Similar to other string methods, re.split supports the optional maxsplit argument. This lets you specify the maximum number of times the split should occur. In this example, setting maxsplit to 1 ensures the string is split only at the first colon, leaving the rest of the string intact as the final element in the resulting list. This is useful for splitting headers from bodies, for example. To summarize, you now know the 4 core functions of the re module: search, find all, substitute, and split. Our next lecture 24.07, Quantifiers. See you there.